Hey everyone, I'm Babita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick, healthy, gluten-free, nutritious breakfast. I am making Raagi Neer Dosa. Ragi is a finger millet that is considered a good carbohydrate. It is rich in iron, vitamin C and has lots of fiber. So follow me as I show you how to make this quick, easy and instant Raagi Neer Dosa. To start off this recipe, I'm going to add this ragi flour to this mixing bowl over here. This ragi flour is, you can see it has a slightly pinkish hue to it. And to this, next I'm going to add some chopped green chilies for some heat, some chopped onion, some sugar. This ragi flour has a slight bitterness to it, so the sugar will balance it out, and salt. Now I'm going to gradually add some water and mix and make a batter. The consistency of this batter has to be liquidy or watery. Neer means water in Tulu. As you see, the flour has blended well and now this batter is really watery. I'm going to add the last bit of water that I have. I'll show you how watery it is. And this is the consistency of the batter. This is what the batter should look like. So now I'm going to start making the dosas. Dosas are like crepe, and before I pour the batter onto this pan, I'm just going to apply some oil, and I like to apply the oil with an onion like this on a fork. It gives the dosa an additional flavor. And now I'm going to pour a ladle full of batter onto the pan. And then I'm going to swirl the pan so that it spreads all over. Next, I'm going to place the lid, cover it with lid and allow it to cook for some time. So I'm going to take this lid off, and you can see the top is already cooked and it's really cooked well, and the edges have all left the sides of the pan, so that means it is ready. And now I'm just going to fold it and fold it again, and then plate it, room it onto a plate. Now I'm going to use the rest of the batter to make more dosas. So all of the ragi dosa is done, and you can see I have plated it up over here. It looks gorgeous and it looks so tempting. I usually serve it with some coconut chutney, and look at how beautiful. Let me show you a close-up of the dosa. Look at how it looks. It looks like a nice delicate lace cloth. I just love how it looks. It tastes absolutely amazing. So wasn't it an easy recipe? And to top it off, a healthy one. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Raagi Neer Dosa, and make it and make sure to let me know in the comments below how it turned out. And if you want the exact measurement and the recipe, It is up on my blog and I have posted the link in the description below. So make sure to check that out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.